Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michelle. Today I have a Kroger grocery haul. We are a gluten-free family of 5. I have a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and an 11-month-old. My 4-year-old has celiac disease, so we are gluten-free, so everything you see here will be gluten-free. My total was $137 for all of this. Let's start with the produce. So, got 3 avocados. Got kiwi. They had some bananas on clearance, so what I will do for these is this will be banana bread, this will be frozen for smoothies, and then the banana ice cream I make, and then this will just be eaten through the week. We have halos, we have organic lettuce, organic broccoli, organic grape tomatoes. My kids just like to snack on these. Then over here we have Chobani yogurt, again gluten-free. It was reduced, so I grabbed a couple of these. This is the milk we get. We are dairy soy-free, so we got a vanilla and a regular, and again this is 8 grams of protein, so pretty good. The bread we like. Again, this is the average size. This is my hand. This is the average size of a loaf of bread. It's not even half a loaf, I think. Gluten-free. I got 2 of those because we're going to be doing a lot of sandwiches and stuff this week. Grilled cheese. Alright, we got the Applegate pepperoni. Gluten-free. My kids like to snack with this with cheese and putting on pizzas. This is the butter I get because we are dairy soy free. Again, it's also gluten free. There we go. Got some lunch meat for the week. Again, make sure you're checking gluten free. I normally get my eggs from a local farmer, but we are doing a lot of baking this week, so I grabbed just an extra carton. Again, we got some cheese. This is one of the few gluten-free cheese options at my grocery store, so I got one of those. These are all ribs. I got 3 of them. They were on sale, so we'll eat probably 1 for a meal. And then I'll freeze the other 2 for later meals. Italian sausage, again. Make sure you're checking your prepackaged meat like that. Got some chicken thighs for the Instapot. Got some organic frozen green beans. We are in winter in the Midwest, so there's not a lot of fresh produce options, so grab those. Got some salt, got some pasta sauce, again one of the few gluten-free pasta sauces there my store has. Again, you gotta check things like this because there's a lot of added ingredients to things like sauces that you wouldn't think. So, again, organic. Got some baked beans to go with the ribs when we have those. And again, Bush's is a really great line. Not the healthiest, but most of their canned beans are gluten-free, which is nice. Gluten-free. Alright, got some tortillas. Again, gluten-free. And we do these for tacos and then quesadillas. For snack items, we got these, again, to go with the ribs. Again, the kettle chips are also good, and I wanted to point this out. Notice this gluten-free. They recently changed the label, so you're going to stop seeing this so often, because it's going to go from this label to this label. So that's the newer label. Again, it means gluten-free. Got some organic blue tortilla chips from when we have tacos. Annie's granola bars. You're gonna see a lot of the same things in my grocery hauls because we find what we like and what's gluten-free. We stick with it. This is the pasta we got. I got this one because it was on sale. I usually get the bonanza pasta, but again, gluten-free. It's also, because it's made from chickpeas, it's got a good amount of protein in it, so when I do pastas, it's pretty filling. Got some cornbread mix to go with rib night. Again, gluten-free. I like the Bob's Red Mill. Pretty good. For a treat, we got the gluten-free Oreos again. There were only a few left on the shelf, and I'm not sure if my store will restock the specific gluten-free kind, so I decided to get that. I got some pasteurized yeast. I'm going to attempt to make some gluten-free rolls because my store doesn't carry anything like that. And I'd like to have rolls again with dinner. So, again, make sure you're checking things like yeast to make sure they're gluten-free. And then we need laundry detergent. This is what we use. In case you're wondering, this is also gluten-free. If you're ever curious, I have a video on the phone apps I use to check certain products to make sure they are gluten-free. Obviously, we're not ingesting this, but I feel better knowing all of our clothes are washed in something that's gluten-free. So again, that is the full grocery haul. And this will again be about a week and a half worth of groceries.